Hi, you guys. It's Norman here. We're here today. We're going to do another app review. Today, we're going to review a mock-up of an app that we did for Hamburger Mary's in West Hollywood. So to view this app, come over to this website. It's called seeyourapplive.com. When you come to this website, you're going to see a mobile app previewer. It looks like this. And what it's meant to do, it's meant to simulate what a smartphone would do. It looks like an iPhone in this case. So come over here, click on this play button. It's going to bring up the previewer. You're going to enter your app code. For Hamburger Mary's West Hollywood, the app code is Hamburger MAR. Oops, MAR. Hit load demo. So this brings up the Hamburger Mary's mobile app. So the first thing you'll notice is that there's a pop-up here um, asking the person to join the mailing list. So if you have a newsletter or an email autoresponder account, this will hook right in with that and help you grow your following so you can market to them via email. I'm going to hit no here. And this is the home screen. I want you to know that this whole image is completely customizable. So if you maybe wanted to feature an image of some food, some of your food here, or maybe some images of people having a good time in your restaurant, you could do so right here. Also, if you wanted to change up the feel for maybe like a Christmas feel or Thanksgiving, Halloween, New Year's, summer, winter, you can make little tweaks to it so it feels different during those times of year. So you'll notice that there are three buttons down here: call us, directions, tell a friend. This call us button and this directions button, they're not active right now because we're on a computer, but if we were on a phone, the call us button would automatically dial into your store. Directions would set up GPS directions from wherever the phone is at directly to your front door. So if maybe you get a phone call saying, hey, where are you guys located at? You could say, oh, just go download our app. It'll set up directions straight to our front door, and that you can take care of it that way. This tell a friend button, it is actually a way where your customers can share the app with other people. So if you're providing good value, good content on your app, they can share it via email, Facebook, Twitter, SMS, and as you'll see, I'm going to actually suggest you put some couponing features into the app, and people will definitely share those with one another. Um, Here's, you can see down here, there's some more tabs. This events tab, I know Hamburger Mary's is all about the events. I've actually been to what is it, Legendary Bingo and Karaoke. So you can have all your events laid out here right on the events tab. You click one of the events, it should bring up a brief description of what the event is. And here's your, back down here is your menus tab. We took these directly from your website. This is your drink menu, hamburgers, and I know the text is a little bit small here on the previewer, and it does show up a lot differently on a phone. And also on the phone, your clients have the ability to zoom in and zoom out of images. Okay, and so this next tab down here, this is the messages tab. The messages tab, it works in with a technology on smartphones called push notifications. So I'm not sure if you guys know what a push notification is, but a push notification allows the owner of an app to actually push or send a message onto the screen of the phone of whoever has downloaded that app. So for example, here's a push notification sent out by the AP News, breaking news, Goldman Sachs, etc. And the person received this push notification because they downloaded the AP News app. You as a business owner can use this same technology when you have your own mobile app. And let me explain how you use it. So let's say it's a Wednesday afternoon and business is a little slow and you want to pull more customers into your business. What you could do is you could send out a push notification. You could say, hey, for the next 3 hours, we're going to run a special. Whoever comes into the store and shows me their push notification, I'm going to give you a free dessert with your meal, or a free appetizer, or half off your entree, or 2-for-1 beers. Just a way to incentivize your customers to keep coming into your store, right? And what you've done is slow, and now you've actually reached out over the phone, and you're pulling customers into your store. And the thing with this message here is this message gets opened and read 97% of the time, right? If you compare that with things like email marketing, which gets about a 4% open rate, or direct mail, like flyers, postcards, and such, usually gets about a 1 to 2% open rate. This beats it out by a ton, and it's great technology for a business owner to have. So the way it would work is this message would pop up. The person can either save it or they can delete it. If they save it, it comes onto this tab here, and the message will be here, so the person can come into your store and say, "Hey, I got this message. Can I get that discount or they get that offer you were talking about?" Okay. This more tab, it brings up more functionality. The locations tab has your name, your address, phone number. This website, it will actually bring up your website inside of the phone. Email, it's got your operating hours right here. QR coupon. Okay, so I'm not sure if you guys know what a QR coupon is, but a QR code looks like this. So this funny looking image, it kind of works like a barcode. So what your customers could do is they could take their smartphone. You could actually take a picture of this QR code. The phone would scan this image, and normally it would redirect them to another web page. But if you have an app, you can use it to set up a couponing functionality inside the app. So as you can see, I have it here set for 0 out of 10. So the person would scan the image, it would become 1 out of 10, and they would work their way up towards some kind of incentive that you want to give them. Right here I put get 10 QR scans to get a free appetizer. Or again, you could offer them whatever you wanted, maybe even like a keychain or a t-shirt or something like that. And the way you would do that is like this. Let's see. Right here. Like you could use table tents, right? As you can see, there's a QR code right here. Another way is a table tent right here. QR code, QR code. And if you really pay attention to your customers, watch them what they're doing when they're waiting for their waitress, when they're waiting for their food to come out. I bet you more than half of them are on their cell phones in some way. They're either checking their text messages, they're reading their email, they're on the internet, they're making a phone call. And if you give this to your customers and give them an opportunity to interact with your store through these QR coupons, they're going to do it because they're on their phones anyways. And there's also additional technology where you can actually start to build up your email list, your Facebook following. You can make you can make your app go viral through these QR coupons. So again, it's great technology. It's great technology for businesses to have. And you can put these anywhere. You can put these on newspapers, flyers, business cards, and it's a way to incentivize your customers to come back in. Okay, so the next one here is the GPS coupon. The GPS coupon works a lot like the QR coupon, except instead of working off of those QR codes, it works off the phone's internal GPS system. Just like your phone knows how to get you directions to wherever you want to go, the phone knows when you're in the store. And when you're in the store, you can actually come over here and check in. And again, you can set it up so, you can set it up for 0 out of 10. You can set it up so that the person can only check in once every 12 hours or once every 24 hours. Same way you can set up the person can only scan the QR coupon once every 12 or 24 hours. It's another way to incentivize your customers to keep coming back in over and over again and keep doing business with you. Newsletter. Again, if you remember that first pop-up, if I had hit yes, I would come here, and it's meant to increase your reader list for your email marketing. Image gallery. I know you guys had a ton of images on your website, so I took some of them, put it up here. It's just a way to share some stuff with your customers, right? This was Marioki, one of those, and can just post up images. Fan wall. This is another way that your customers can interact with you. So if someone came into your store, they had a great time, so they could leave a message. Hey, I had a great time today at Hamburger Mary's. I plan on coming back again real soon. You could leave another message that is, thanks for coming in. We appreciate your business. And if someone left maybe an inappropriate comment, you could always take it down. So whoever came in and scanned that and actually downloaded the app, they'll come in, see this conversation going on. They could join the conversation basically. Um, email photo. This functionality allows your customers to use their smartphones, take pictures, of their good experiences in Hamburger Mary's, and actually upload them to the app. And they could put it right here. Whoever downloads the app can come in and see the photos. And again, you can delete the photos if they left an inappropriate photo. Reservation system. We actually use OpenTable to set up the reservations. It's completely free, and it'll allow you to take reservations right through the app. Facebook. I looked at your Facebook account. I noticed that you're using the kind of the personal profile, and you create a lot of followers. But the thing is, for a business, you really want to use a Facebook fan page, because on the personal account, you can only get up to 5,000 followers, and you guys have reached that already. So you should really have a fan page. And I actually do create fan pages as well. So if it's something you're interested in, we could definitely talk about that. And that way you can start to get more followers past the 5,000 and build up your customer list even more. And you can do that all inside the app right here. Yelp. So if someone has a good experience in your store, they can come into Yelp and leave a review right away. Leave a great review. These next two items here, QR scanner, tip calculator, these kind of work like, these are like swag. Like certain businesses, they have business, they have swag like refrigerator magnets, pocket calendars, keychains and such that are branded to them. These are items that are branded to you. So the QR scanner, for someone to scan a QR code, they need a QR scanner. And we built one right into your app here. So let's say someone they downloaded your app. Now they're out on the street. They're looking at a billboard. The billboard has a QR code, and they need a QR scanner to scan that QR code. Well, the person might remember. It's like, hey, I remember Hamburger Mary's mobile app had a QR scanner. Let's use that. We can scan the code. But now, so they're out on the street. They're trying to scan that code. But now they're inside your app. And they're reminded of your business, your company, your branding, because you have that scanner inside your app. Similarly, the tip calculator works the same way. It'll allow your workers to get the correct tip, but it's also branded to your business. So let's say someone downloaded your app, but now they're in someone else's restaurant and they're trying to figure out the tip. Well, maybe they'll remember and say, hey, you know what? I remember Hamburger Mary's app. It had a tip calculator in there. Let's use that to figure out the tip. So now they're in someone else's restaurant. They're figuring out the tip, but now they're reminded of your business, your brand, your company. And it's just designed to keep you as top of mind. So that's basically it. It's a brief mock-up that we made for your app. It's got most of the functionality that we usually put into restaurant apps. The next thing I want you to do is I want you to actually go ahead and check out the app yourself. And the way you do that is, this video should be in a pop-up. To close that pop-up, come up here over to the right hand corner of the pop-up, click on this black X. This black X, it will close down the pop-up and it will land you back over here on this page. Remember? SeeYourAppLive.com. You're going to see the mobile previewer. It looks like this. Remember, click on the play button. Type in your app code. The app code for Hamburger Mary's, again, is Hamburger, M-A-R. And load the demo. Go ahead, check out the app yourself, try out all the functionality. I want you to give it a go, and if you're interested in having this app go live in the Apple Store and the Android Store, and really utilizing this to grow your business, to get you more business, what I want you to do is call us. Our phone number is 818-794-9190, or you can email us at info@thoushallthaveapps.com. And if for whatever reason, maybe you're watching this video and maybe you're a dentist, you're a doctor, you're a realtor, an accountant, you're in insurance, you're in any kind of business that requires some type of lead generation, an app like this could definitely help you in those efforts. And I'd be interested in talking to you as well. So that's it for the app preview. Once again, my name is Norman Ho with Thou Shalt Have Apps. Thank you so much for your time, and have a great day.